Have you ever pondered how this modest potato may transform into buckets of fresh cuisine right on your terrace? You are actually in the right spot. Today, I'm showing precisely how to grow potatoes at home, even if you have never planted a thing before. In a moment, I will review the secret technique my grandmother taught me that practically ensures a bountiful crop. And before we dig in, tell me in the comments, have you ever attempted cultivating sweet potatoes or potatoes yourself? Consider this. It's a drizzling afternoon. You burst open an ancient bucket, raise some soil, and there it is. Golden potatoes you grow yourself. No shopping trip to the supermarket required. That is the benefit of homegrown potatoes. Today, I will demonstrate step by step how to grow potatoes in a bucket, how to grow potatoes in a container, even how to grow potatoes in a bag. Furthermore, we cover how to grow sweet potatoes if you wish something in a little unique. Let's start putting in the plants. First of all, how do potatoes develop? Seed potatoes, which are just little eyes on potato, grow. Certified seed potatoes are available both online and at your neighborhood store. When to plant potatoes? Most areas should plant them in early spring as soon as the soil is workable and the risk is low. How long do potatoes take to grow? Normally around 70 to 120 days, but this varies with different kind of potatoes. Sweet potatoes need warmer temperatures and a longer season, roughly 90 to 150 days. So please make sure you arrange appropriately. Grow potatoes in a container is really simple. No issues if you do not have a garden bed. Grow potatoes in a bucket goes as follow. Number 1. Select a bucket or sizable container 12 to 15 inches deep. Number 2. Verify that it has drain holes. Number 3. 4 inches of excellent potting mix should be used to fill the bottom. How far should potatoes be planted? Place ice up your seed potatoes around 4 inches down. Cover them with earth. Keep topping the soil every few weeks as the plants develop. This is known as healing. It protects the growing tubers from sunlight. Want to attempt a thrilling experience? Grow potatoes in a bag, like a grown bag or even a robust reusable shopping bag. Same procedure. Soil at the base, seed potatoes continue to rise. Comment below if you have ever tried container gardening. What plant do you like best to grow in a pot? Potato plants need sunlight at least 6 hours a day. Constantly water, but prevent the soil from become soggy. A solid rule of thumb. Water whenever the top inch feels dry. Be on the lookout for potato beetles and other pests. Should you see them, either hand or an organic insecticide soup will get rid of them. How long do potatoes take to grow? Early types can be harvested after about 70 days in for baby potatoes. Matured potatoes need almost 100 days. The flowers of the plants and the yellowing will tell you they are ready. Gently search your bag or bucket. Get ready to be surprised. That instant surprise will never get old. Wait till the leaves become yellow and the vines starts to die back. If you are planting sweet potatoes, grow the tubers with great attention. This fast suggestion will help you to increase your potato planting process. To prevent disease, rotate your crops annually. To maintain the soil cool and wet, spread straw. Experience with various containers, buckets, grow bags, even laundry bags. And remember, the more fresh your seed potatoes, the better your result. Which approach most excites you? Growing potato in a container, a bucket, or a bag? Before you depart, comment with your answer. I read everyone. Then, Once you have all the information you need on how to grow potatoes at home, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.